It's me, your boy RJ, and today, guess what? We're working on this Frigidaire again, if you've watched before. Today we're replacing the water inlet valve. Frigidaire Gallery
FGID 2466
5Q 66Q F5A. This may work for other models. Frigidaire's made by who?
Electrolux.
Electrolux with GE and all them. I think. I don't know. So here's the part number. Okay, here's the part. I know. Here's the part. Here is the part number. Is dishwasher valve 807-04-7901. I'll put a link below. This was how much? 15?
Yeah.
Okay. This is to fix. You're gone. You come home. Why is there water all over the place? We don't know. We thought the fridge was broke. Did that. Got under. But then we found out, nope. Water inlet valve. It's a valve. Water comes in. There's an opening, electrical. And it was just letting water slightly through. So what's happening is in the bottom here, it filled all the way up. It was dripping out right over the seam. And just do. Good thing for y'all and me. This is an actual simple repair. First, you're going to have to unhook your thing, pull it out wherever you got it from. And here's the part right here.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Okay. Right there. Okay. See it? So all I got to do is unscrew that. Unhook that water clamp on there. Put the clamp on. And do the two bolts that are right there, which I'm going to unscrew from right here in the front. So there's a little plastic plate here. I'm going to pull this back, and you can see there's two like 6mm bolts that are also Torx heads, okay? Give us a second here. Okay, everybody. So first thing is going to make it a little easier. These are 1/4 inch sockets. I was saying 6mm. They are 1/4 inch. Come down here. Right there. Right here. 1/4 inch. Sorry, everyone. Camera person's acting like they're 4. Or worse. Everybody, see it's right there. Okay. I know I can't focus well on it. It's at a bad angle. It's on the other side of this. Alright, we're going to pause it. I'm going to take this off real quick. This is one of those times, this is the socket wrench that I show in a lot of my videos, that sometimes you just don't have any room to work, right? It will save you a lot of hassle. What is happening is when I turn this handle, it is rotating the end of the ratchet. So you get it in there, use the strength to do that, but then just put it on. It's very short turns. You gotta do a lot to get the work done. Okay, here you go. Alright, now we can bring this out here a little where y'all can see. You're going to need a channel lock or a pipe wrench. I'm using a channel lock. Alright, and you're going to want to get this, and I just realized it is nylon thread, so I'm going to have to get my plumbing nylon tape, which I will show y'all in a minute, because the new one does not have it. Okay, and you see there's some fluid in there, just from whatever. And the channel locks are going to come in handy again for this clamp. This is one of those, if you have the problem, it's a very easy, cheap, $15, right?
Yeah.
Fix that will save you, instead of trying to go buy a new dishwasher that probably, if it's made nowadays, is a complete piece of crap.
This thing's got so many problems, this dishwasher.
Yeah, no, I'm showing other videos. But the newer ones are worse.
Oh my gosh.
It's just the water was in there. Okay, guys, so something in here is not working, either here, here, or here. It is allowing it to just let the water flow in constantly. Alright, we're going to pause this. We'll be right back. Let me cut this little bit of the old stuff off because it's dirty. Alright, so you need the thread to go with this. So that way is going to be the wrong way. So you want to roll with the threads. So you're going to take this nylon tape. I probably should cut that to make it cleaner. That's a little better. All right. And then you want to go this direction. Is that it falls over itself like this, okay? And then when you tighten, you're tightening with the direction of the nylon tape. Okay, so take this here. Be careful. Okay. Grab your channel lock or whatever you have, pipe wrench. Channel locks are easier because they can get in there tighter if you got a small one like I have. This cobalt set they sell at Lowe's. I'll see if I can find a link for it. It's 3 of them. It's this little one, a medium, and a real large one. It comes in handy a lot, would you say? We use it for a lot of repairs. And they're really good ones. I mean, they work better than a lot of them. Alright, so the fact that it's tightening to the point that that bad boy's rotating up, that means we're good. Let's try a little more. Be careful, you are tightening onto plastic. Okay? Grab your hose. Alright, so this is going to go like this. So you want to see if you can rotate that just right. Everything you got, oh, goes back that way. Okay? There's on. Put the teeth in like that. There's the old one. Okay, checking. I believe that's correct. I did not look. I'm going to pause this video and go back and look and see which wire was up, white or pink, to make sure I have it threaded right, because I should have checked that. So you guys check your wiring and make sure you have it the right way when you go back, because this thing could flip either way, the switch. All right, let me show you this real quick. And they're like, why can't he do this right? Why can't he squeeze it? Because I'm upside down. I'm working on my shoulder. Okay, we're going to pause this real quick. And I'm going to look at the wiring to make sure I wired it back the right way to put the clip back on the wiring harness. Okay? All right, everybody. So it is white up, pink lower. Exactly how it was. We've done this. I've done that, and I've moved it. I'm going to check it now after turning it by hand one more time to make sure it's still nice and tight correctly. I did not cause it to loosen. What?
Don't break it.
I'm not making sure it didn't loosen. Okay. That is on. Grab me those 2 screws, the little ones, the little 1/4-inch ones. One at a time. One at a time. Okay. See how I was saying Torx? If you don't have a 1/4-inch, there's a Torx head. It looks like it's probably a 15. It looks like a 15. It might be a 20. Okay. Do not quote me, but it is one of those 2. The boss here stabbed me in the head with the phone. So I know I gotta get in here though. All right, so you lay this here, and wait a second. Hold on. Okay, so it goes. I'm gonna show them. See this here? It comes in here. Okay, see that?
No.
Can you kind of see it?
No.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
Okay, we go here. You follow, and you bring it to the front. It actually goes to the front side, not on the back. Okay. Which is here. You loop the metal under, see? You bring the actual clamp to the front. If you try to go from back there, it won't work because the threaded part is the part in the other one. You got the other screw?
Yeah. Is it a little different than the original one?
No, same. That's what I'm telling them. But you will think in your head that this goes on that side. It just seems like you're crushing me and I can't move. And I just cut my arm, I think. So, in a second, you can get right back into the camera, okay? Boss lady. Alright, I'm going to put these into place. And I'm going to go as far as I can by finger tightening. It's most of the way, so that's nice. Alright, and we're going right back in with this. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you're going to need a short 1/4 inch, but I'd put it on a better drive. This long one was too long, you couldn't fit under here. Okay, don't say anything. That's not what she said. Okay, I am set the wrong way still. Stop harassing me while I'm trying to do work. This is for all the guys that their camera person decides they have to mess with your butt and stuff while you're trying to work. You are not alone. Okay. That is the entire situation put back in. We hope for you that this is your problem. It's probably it. The water line goes bad. It just keeps leaking and letting water in. I'm going to take this guy.
Oh, here. Mat underneath this.
It's just plastic, just for design that like make it not look like poo under there. That's all it's for, to look like there's a little. Mine is a drop down in. Do not know what yours is going to be. That's how hard it is. You need to lift it while you push it.
Still not quite right. Okay. Here.
Alright. So then what you do is you just take these screws. It's right here. And you find that hole right there. And you gotta line up. You have to move that so I can get my head in there. Alright everybody, it's replaced. We will see, and as you can see if you watch 4, we need to pull that out and redo that again. What are we soaking in, vinegar?
I think so.
Okay. Watch that video if your thing gets clogged, okay? But yes, the water comes out of here. So what was happening is it was just filling up slowly and then overflowing out of the thing. And we came home. What's that?
It's part to the clips.
Did it break?
This thing's
What?
falling apart. Oh!
My butt crack?
Crack.
Yes, another one. It's an old washer, but
It's not really that old.
It's old enough because nothing lasts, but we are having to repair it all the time because nothing is good.
Well, this went bad at the same time our washing machines.
We need a new washing machine downstairs, but guess what? Every single one they sell at Lowe's and Home Depot and Best Buy, crap. If you buy it, you're going to be unhappy. We went through every single review. It says great reviews. They're all paid for. Every paid review. If they're not paid review, they're like at 1, 2, or 3 star. All right, so that's the repair. I can't really show you it's fixed because what do you think it took? Like 12 hours or more to start filling up that much?
Yeah, I ran a load in the morning and then like
Late at night. It was
6 o'clock that night.
I think it was a little later than that, but
Yeah, at least.
like 8 at night on the floor. And they've been going a while because it filled this whole area. So you got that problem happening in your kitchen and it ends up being this. That's your fix. It's really not bad. Mine was only difficult because of this and I can only reach out that far. You might have more hose that you can reach to. If you got a lot of hose you can reach, you might be Okay, you might not even need a dishwasher. Okay, you might not even need a dishwasher. Alright guys, I hope that helped you. Please like and subscribe. Ask your person, this cameraman, not to climb under you when you're screwing on the door because your elbow hit them in the head. That just happened. Trying to clean up while I'm still putting the door back up. So yeah. That's life. Yeah, show them, the finger. There you go. Pee-pee touch. Yeah. I don't know. That's life. Yeah. Okay. I'll put the part below. Amazon part, I will get a small percentage sometimes. It doesn't always happen, but it is an Amazon link.
It came a day earlier than it was supposed to.
Oh yeah, and it came a day early. So if you buy it and they say it's going to be here 4 days later, bam, it might be here sooner. You'll be happy. Because tomorrow I wouldn't be able to work on it because we got to take Yoda to the vet. Because the boss decided we're going to the vet. Nothing's wrong with Yoda.
He's old.
He's old. And we need to magically take him to the vet and see what's wrong with him.
I just want to make sure everything's okay.
Okay.
I love him.
You love him. You don't need to go to that. So look, please buy this part so I can get 10 cents. And enough of you buy it, it'll help pay the astronomical fees that we're going to have at the vet. For nothing being wrong. But your dog is in perfect health. Here's your bill.
I'd like to know if he's fat or not.
Like, we know he's fat. We don't need the fat. Look, Yoda, come here. Turn the camera on.
I got it.
Come here, Yoda. Yoda, come here. Tell the people. Leia's fat too. Come here, Leia. Yeah, come here, Yoda. Tell them. I'm not fat. I'm so good. That's all we need to know. Bonga, bonga, bonga. What do you want, Leia? Come here. Come here. Come closer. I'm not coming to you. I'm the boss, not you. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, she's done. Alright. Y'all didn't even know. Bringing out some bubble wrap with the camera person popping it, and that's the dog gets scared of everything. So, yeah, she took off and ran through our son's door and plowed it open because there's bubbles being popped. You stop it. That's it. Like I said, please buy this. Any of the tools I link below, they're Amazon. I might get a small percentage. It might help me deal with these idiots. I'll tell you. So please like, subscribe. Every little bit helps during these times. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. I have 2 more repair videos, I think, on this. I'll put the link to that playlist in the bottom, too. Alright? If not, look at my home improvement playlist and someone's there. Some are good videos. Some of them aren't that great. But you know,
fixed the washer once.
I fixed the washing machine once. And now it's broke again. And I think I'm possibly going to replace the transmission because what's wrong with our washer is it will spin. It'll do all that and it'll work. But it won't do the agitation anymore. We know what will do the agitation anymore. Alright, that's it, y'all. Bye-bye. Have a good night. Alright, everybody, I forgot to tell you the most important part. Turn your hot water back on to your dishwasher before you put it back. I had to pull it back out. I got excited. We're doing the video. Not paying attention. So just sit here, check it. If you can't for sure, if there's wetness, use a paper towel, wipe it. But there is no leakage whatsoever. Would you turn on a cycle real quick? So it runs through. What are you doing? You gotta open it? Okay, you gotta cover that. My hands are.
Oh.
Is it going?
It should be. There it goes.
Okay. So we got hot water. I can feel the water coming through this tube right here. And the water coming through here. And it looks like, ow. So I'm checking this tube and I'm checking this tube to make sure, but I'm also checking where this connects. And it seems like everything is fine. We got no leaks anywhere. So we're good. So that's the end of the video now, okay? So, yeah, remember, like, subscribe. It helps during these times. And as always, I'm the RJ. Seize the day, each and every day. Bye-bye.